Wind advisory in effect from noon to 10 p.m. Wednesday. For Perry, Jackson, and Benton counties, the National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from noon to 10 p.m. Wednesday. Winds southwest 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts 40 to 50 miles an hour with passage of cold front. Early afternoon for extreme southeast Ohio and extreme northeast Kentucky, spreading eastward into central West Virginia by mid to late afternoon. Strong winds could cause tree damage, power fluctuations, or even outages, and perhaps blocking of roads from debris. Construction sites are vulnerable locations. Also be cautious of Christmas decorations exposed to the wind. Reminder: a wind advisory means that winds of 35 miles an hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Listen to NOAA weather radio or your local media for later updates on this situation. Now